Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day is going well so far because we're back shopping at Costco and we're going to go inside today. We're in Tustin, California. We're going to see if we can find new items and, of course, always looking for the deals. Now, let's get started. Here is a new item, the Shark Flex style, the Ion Curl. Now, we've seen the previous Shark Flex style. That one is on clearance, and so this is the replacement. This is going to be the new one, and for all hair kind. So this looks really interesting. Now it is a little bit on the pricier side. Even the previous one is still on clearance. I'm seeing for about $279.97, and this one is $300. So it actually costs a little bit less than the previous one at the original price. Now we're going to continue on with Philips Sonic Care. We have a new addition. How pretty are these? So you have two options. Each box has two different electric toothbrushes, $279.99. I know it's definitely on the pricier side, and these glasses are the charging base. So you just set them right there. Includes also the travel cases. They also have the new KitchenAid stand mixer. We have three options. This one has the same attachments, but it also, that flex attachment has the flex on both sides. And it did come back at a lower price of $400 because it was more than $400. I was predicting it would come back even higher, but I'm glad it's back lower. Now from Dash, this is back. We saw this last year. This is our Smart Store stirring popcorn maker. All you have to do is just pop your popcorn and flip it over, and the top is also a bowl for $30. Now also look out for some really great clearance items. For example, this one here at the store from Taylor, that two-piece digital thermometer set, $16.97. And then right next to it, the IQ Sense. You're getting two of them, and this is on clearance now. They've lowered the price even lower to $49.97. Normally one is $70, so that's an absolute steal. And then from Kirkland, we have a new water filter. It's a set of 10. Now we know the other ones are on sale right now, but I think these still cost a lot less, even at the sale price. So these are $28, but only here for a limited time. Very interesting. Let me know if you have seen these in your store, because the price is really good because water filters are so pricey. Now, the Barbecue Daddy, there's still plenty of grilling season left, and they have a lot of them here in Tustin. $4 savings, $23. It's going to go on until August 5th. I was really surprised it wasn't on clearance yet. Like this one from Blackstone, the Ultimate Griddle Kit. You're getting everything you see right here for $19.97, 16 pieces. And I was so excited. I could not believe my eyes. I was finding these embroidered faux fur throws. These have been viral, super popular. And we have all three: the pumpkin, the ghost, and the cute little kitty. Oh, these are so adorable. And these are hot sellers. They used to sell them online, but they sold out so fast. 60 by 70 inches for $19. So it got me thinking, what else is available online? Now there's some items we see in the store, but see, I think this Hello Kitty jack-o'-lantern by Jim Shore, 15 inches tall, so adorable, and the pumpkin glows in the dark. And these are always popular items. The Halloween items, and I know it's still early, they have been so popular. We even saw the ones that they lit up and they were glitter. There was Mickey Mouse, Stitch, and then Jack Skellington. Those have sold out online and even in the stores. So this one for $90, I know it seems pricey, but the nice thing about it now is indoor use only. You can use this for so many years to come. And we know Hello Kitty is always popular. Now, if Hello Kitty is not for you, we also have the 17-inch Disney Stitch skeleton, also by Jim Shore, and these are always really popular. A lot of times we'll see them during Christmas, but I love seeing ones for Halloween. So the same price, $90, also includes shipping and handling. You may see these in some stores because it doesn't state online only. So let me know, have you seen the Hello Kitty or Stitch in your store? Now here is another popular one. We did see these in the stores and they have sold out in the stores, but it's available online. It sold out online and they brought more in for $140. It includes shipping and handling, but this Nightmare Before Christmas, the animated clock, it lights up, it plays music, and the clock truly works. You can have that not only during Halloween, but all the way till Christmas. That's up to you. Now we're going to continue back in the store. For Bridgestone, our golf balls, you're getting 2 boxes, so you're getting 24 in total. Now these are definitely on the pricier side of $60. And then from Wilson, this is the volleyball, and I've seen this at another store. These are now on clearance. They still have quite a few for $14.97. And then the trading card supplies. Now, we're here in the Tustin, California store, so I wanted to share that this is a manager special at the store. They only have 4 in, but for $15, that is a really good deal. They want those to move out. Now, we did find a couple new furniture pieces, and if you are looking for TV console, or you don't have to place a TV on there, that is up to you. You have that faux fireplace with the storage. I mean, look at the height of this box. This is a huge box. Now I know it's on a pallet, but it's still a pretty big box. I think it's super lovely. $650. Yeah, 75 inches. Wow. Now, if you're looking for a new dresser, this one is really nice. It's very classic. And you can even use that not only for a dresser, maybe a console table. That is up to you. There's so many uses. So $700. And then from Shark, the Flex Breeze. Now the Hydro Go Pro, this is on sale, but it's even lower than the previous sale price. So now a $40 savings, $60. That's going to go until August 15th. That is a huge discount. That's a really good deal. And if you're looking for a new multi-purpose runner, 2 by 5 feet. So normally they're about 2 by 7 feet. Oh, I like these. So you can see, I'm trying to flip it over. You have that non-skid side, but see on top, it looks like it's just easy to wipe off. So this would be just great for in the laundry room, in the kitchen. But see, I'm looking for a new one for my laundry room. And oh, I think I just found it. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, I hope this fits because I want this in front of my washer and dryer. So I'm going to pick that one up. I love that it's easy care. So that is going to be perfect for that room. But honestly, you can have this anywhere you want. The entryway, a hallway. There's actually about 4 options for $19. See, that's not a bad price. So keep looking down here. Here's the other 2. Well, the one on the right, that's the one that I picked up. But you can see again 4 options, so kind of look through those. And if you need any assistance, yeah, definitely let a sales associate know. Now these pillows, oh, see, I did pick these up and these are lovely. So they're on sale. Now this is only going on till the 29th, so we have another day, but $10 savings, $18. That's a good deal for those. Now here's another new item from the brand Jackery, the solar generator. Now there is another one and we do see it. It is on sale. This is a nationwide sale. Just started yesterday on the 27th. Now this is a smaller one. It's also solar, but this one is $350. Now, if you are looking for the larger one that's on sale, here it is. And you can see the solar panels, and that box is huge, but it's a $200 discount. It looks like they haven't marked it down yet, but the sale is nationwide. So all of them are on sale for $600. And then from Don Julio, this is something I have not seen. Of course, this store, you know, we're here in California. They do sell alcohol at Costco, but you're getting 3 of the miniature bottles. They're 50 milliliters each. Oh, that is cute. $32. I always love the little small bottles. I always think they're so adorable. But see, you could break those up for gifts if you wanted to. The lemon raspberry loaf, we have tried this. It is really good. I still favor the lemon blueberry, but the lemon raspberry is just really good. So if you want to give that one a try, it's $9 per loaf. Now, this seems like a new item, but it's already on clearance. And sometimes, we'll see items and then maybe they got it in late, but they've already marked this down. So this is a pack of 12. It is ginseng. So you're getting 3 different flavors. It says ginseng never tasted so good. It is caffeine free, only 20 calories each. Here is the nutrition facts right over here. But what I really admire is the price. Even though it's already on clearance, let me know if you have tried this or you've seen it in your store. $9.97. Now over here, I would expect these to be on clearance from Welch's. You have 3 different flavors. This is our sparkling juice. And these were for the 4th of July. And they are marked down. Now, the regular price was close to $10, and now they are 50% off. If you could find those for $4.97, it's a good deal for 3 of them. And then even the Dixie Ultra, the limited edition platter, I did pick these up. You have the cute little fireworks, but these are such great paper plates. And for a pack of 75, they're on clearance now for a deal, $9.97. So I may pick up another one. Now for our pets, now not only for cats, but also for dogs, vitamin infused treats. This is a variety pack. So you're getting 49 sticks and you can see all the different flavors. Now this would be something I would try with my cats, but they're so picky. And it is a little bit on the pricier side. I love that it has vitamins, but for $30, if anyone has tried those, love to hear your feedback. Now, if you are looking for some cute dog toys, I mean, how adorable are these? You have to get all 3, $13.80 each. And then from Drumstick, this is the variety pack. 40 of them. So you're getting the vanilla sandwiches, the drumstick cones, and then our cookie dipped bars for only $19. For 40 of them, that's a great deal. And the Carlos Bake Shop, if you're looking for the American cake, this is one for the 4th of July, has an apple pie in the middle, $14.97. Wow. And the premium ice cream cubes. Now, naturally and artificially flavored. When it comes to vanilla, I always prefer a natural flavor because it's such an easy flavor. So I'm not always the hugest fan of artificial vanilla flavor, but $15.29. Let me know if you tried those. And this is one I would love to try, but it's so hot outside. I don't think this will get home safe. The Vietnamese coffee ice cream. That would be so good. You're getting 2 pints. Oh, I hope to find this at a closer store because I would love to try this out for $16. And then from Safe Catch, now we have seen the tuna in the can, and it's one I pick up because I really like this brand. However, I have tried the tuna burgers. I picked these up. Sam's Club had them. They're not as good as they are in the can. So my opinion, stick to the can. These, even though, they're tested every day, $24, but stick with the canned tuna, not the burgers. Now, the shark bites, how cute are these? And of course, these are here in the freezer, wild caught, 10 grams of protein. You have your omega-3 as well. So the serving size, of course, is 3 pieces. That is super cute. And for $10.49, oh, that's not a bad price. And then from Kevin's, we have our frozen bowls. Now, we tried the Korean barbecue chicken. This is a chicken burrito bowl. Let me know if you tried this one. $14.89 for 4 of them. And then also in the cold section, you're going to find chocolate banana protein. Now, this is from the brand Naked. We've seen the juices. Well, I haven't seen the juices here at Costco for some time. So you can see the size of them. 13 grams of protein, and this is a pack of 8 for $14, only here for a limited time. All right, we tried this a little while back. I've been looking for this again. I know it's not at every store. The Winky chocolate protein pudding, delicious for $15. I'm definitely going to pick this one again. I think this could safely get home. That one is so good. And the mayo gone wild. This dill pickle mayo has been a huge hit in our house, especially with a turkey sandwich. Oh, it's so good. And for $11, and you're getting 2 of them. It's worth it. Now, here is one my daughter has been wanting to try. It's a high protein ramen noodles in a cup. This is from Chef Wu. So each one has 20 grams of protein. I know the sodium is high. They're always high in packages like this. But I'm definitely going to pick this up for her. And then I will keep you posted. $11 for 8 cups. And then from A Dozen Cousins, we have rice cooked with bone broth, Spanish yellow rice. So there's 6 pouches, also has collagen, and they're microwavable. So this is an easy to heat up meal. Oh, this one sounds really good, especially when it's made with the bone broth. And then here is the nutrition facts as well. Let me know if you have tried this, because that one looks delicious, and for $11, it's not a bad price. And then the stirred fried kimchi rice, 6 bowls. So this is already on clearance, but I haven't seen these before. It's another product. You can see they still have quite a few, but $12.97. And then over here, now these are on clearance. I did double check the expiration date, because the regular price I would say was about $5 to $6. So these are good till August 3rd. So you still have a few days left. And they're only $2.97 for 12 of them. It's not a bad price. And then from GoGo, we have our fruit smoothie protein. Okay, so 8 grams of plant protein. You have the variety pack, so you're getting 16 apple cinnamon and then mixed berry, 120 calories. There is a lot in this store. 2 pallets and for $19.60. Oh, it's definitely on the pricier side. Now, the mango coconut mini loaves made with coconut milk. Oh, these sound really good. And they're individually wrapped as well. Oh, let me know if you've tried these. Those look so good. And 23 grams of sugar per loaf, so for $13. Now, I haven't seen this one before. This is from Cloud. Protein popcorn, white cheddar flavor, 7 grams of protein per serving. This looks really interesting. Now, it is gluten-free. Here's the nutrition facts. So the sodium, 135 milligrams. And then here's the ingredients. Let me know if you have tried these. They are a little bit on the pricier side, 12 ounces for $9.89. Now, they were passing out samples, and it was from Catalina Crunch. At first, I thought it was a cereal, but no, it's a chocolate cookie bar with the sea salt caramel. You're getting 12 per package. So they're individually wrapped, 2 grams of sugar per package. You also have 2 grams of protein. So let's try this one out. It is so interesting, but how does it taste? And at first it tasted really good, but then I got a little bit of an aftertaste. It's kind of a little hard to describe, but the first taste was really good. You have that crunchy cookie. Almost kind of reminds me of a Twix bar, but the aftertaste is what's getting me. So let me know if you have tried those, because 12 bars for $16.80, it is a little bit on the pricier side. And then from Thermacell, now we're starting to see a lot of summer items getting pushed out, but if you see these in your store, now here at the Tustin store, they have it marked down to $25. It's a manager special. These, I believe, are on clearance as well. So if you're wanting to repel the mosquitoes mosquitoes, definitely pick those up before they're gone. And then from Legos, we have 2 new sets, and these are the 3-in-1. So these, I like them because they are on the smaller side, but easy to put together. $22.50. We have 2 different options here at the store. Well, everyone, we're gonna head on out. Thank you so much again for coming along to Costco with me today. Thank you so much for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.